Hi, welcome back with me 5 Top K. This time, I'll give you video about Top 5 Best Coffee Maker 2021. Well, before go to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for supports this channel. Okay, let's go to the video. Number 5. Keurig K-Classic Coffee Maker.
The K-Classic brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K-Classic brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K-Classic brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew every time.
Number 5. Keurig K-Classic Coffee Maker. Number 3. CHULUX Single Serve Coffee. Number 2. Amaste Coffee Maker. Number 1. Cuisinart Coffee Center Maker.
Is there a standoff brewing in your home? Can't agree on a traditional coffee maker versus a single serve? Steer clear of a showdown with the Cuisinart Coffee Center and have the best of both worlds, all with one appliance. The single serve brewer uses our home barista reusable filter cup or any variety K-Cup with 3 cup sizes and instant heat up. The programmable 12-cup brewer lets you enjoy premium features like adjustable brew strength, auto on and off, and brew pause. The Cuisinart Coffee Center. When it comes to coffee makers, you can have it all.
Thanks for watching my video about Best 5 Coffee Maker for 2021. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for supports our channel. Also, you can turn on the bell for more updated videos. Well, see you in the next videos.